You've tried multiple online business models, but nothing seems to work. I've been exactly where you are now, trying everything without results. The internet is littered with promises of fast cash, but the reality for most is burnout, confusion, and an empty wallet. Today, I'm not just going to show you a method. I'm going to give you a complete no BS system. We're talking about a strategy that lets you build a real online business, often without ever showing your face, using one of the most underrated tools available, a simple ebook. This isn't theory. This is the exact framework that fuels countless profitable, faceless content channels. And to prove I'm serious, stick around until the end, because I'm giving you a free ebook and a bonus action plan that lays this all out for you step by step. Let's get straight to it. Can you imagine waking up to your first $50 sale? If this happens, it shows your product is in demand. The reason most make money online advice fails is because it's built on a house of cards. You're told to start a complex dropshipping store with razor-thin margins and intense competition. You're sold on get-rich-quick funnels that require you to become a master copywriter overnight. Or worse, you're told to spam social media with faceless AI videos that provide zero value, hoping for a lucky viral hit. This leads to one place: total frustration. You're working hard, but you have no real direction. You're spending money on ads or tools with little to no return on investment. You feel like you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall, and none of it is sticking. But what if you could create one asset that feeds all your content for months? This is where we pivot. The no BS strategy I'm sharing today isn't about finding a temporary loophole. It's about building a foundational asset that you control. That asset is an ebook. Before you click away thinking ebooks are dead, understand this. We're not just talking about writing a novel. We are talking about using an ebook as the strategic core of your entire online business. It is the ultimate tool for leverage and monetization, and it's the key to making this entire system work, especially if you want to create faceless content. So why are ebooks still so incredibly powerful and beyond? It's because they serve 4 distinct and critical roles in your business ecosystem. I used ebooks, and within 4 weeks, I made my first 6K online. Not life-changing, but it proved the system works. First, and most importantly, an ebook is the ultimate lead magnet. Instead of just begging for an email, you offer a high-value, downloadable guide in exchange for it. This simple transaction immediately builds trust and gives you a direct line of communication to your audience. Away from the whims of social media algorithms, this is how you build a real asset. An ebook lead magnet is the first step to owning your traffic. Second, an ebook is a content engine. One well-structured 25-page ebook can be deconstructed into a month's worth of content, or even more. Each chapter can become a script for a longer YouTube video. Each key takeaway can be turned into a 30-second short, a TikTok, or a carousel post for Instagram. You write it once, and you repurpose it everywhere. This is the secret to consistent, high-quality, faceless content without constantly facing creator burnout. Third, an ebook works as a powerful bonus or value add. Let's say you're promoting an affiliate product. Instead of just sending people to the sales page, you can say, buy through my link and get my exclusive ebook on how to get the most out of this tool for free. This simple addition can dramatically increase your conversion rates because you're offering unique additional value that no one else is. And fourth, an ebook can be a low-ticket entry offer. Selling a simple ebook for $5, $7, or $15 does something magical. It turns a cold, skeptical browser into a paying customer. The price is low enough to be an impulse buy, but the act of purchasing creates a psychological shift. That person is now exponentially more likely to buy a more expensive product from you down the line because you've already delivered value and proven you're legitimate. The ebook is the perfect low-risk first step in a profitable customer journey. And if you want to dive deeper into this strategy, you can join my school community. You'll find free resources and a free starter course to help you put everything into action. Now let's connect this directly to creating faceless YouTube or TikTok content. This is where the strategy becomes incredibly scalable. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. You start by drafting your ebook. You can use a simple tool like Google Docs. And yes, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you outline, research, and draft chapters. The key is to not just copy and paste. Use AI as your assistant, but inject your own expertise, your own voice, and your own unique insights to make it valuable. Inside my school community, you'll also get bonus resources and examples that go along with this process. The link is in the description. Once your ebook is drafted, it becomes your content Bible. Turn each chapter into a script for a mid-form YouTube video, around 5 to 10 minutes long. You can record a voiceover and pair it with stock footage, screen recordings, or simple text animations. That's your faceless content right there. Next, take individual tips, stats, or powerful quotes from within each chapter and turn them into short-form videos. A single chapter could easily yield 5 to 10 short video ideas. This is how you feed the algorithm on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Consistently. By the way, if you want my exact template for structuring ebooks like this, grab the free guide in the description. It's the same one I use myself. This entire process works within a simple content ladder framework. At the top of your funnel, you have your shorts and reels. These are designed to grab attention with a strong hook. The call to action on these shorts is simple. I explain this entire method in my free ebook. Link in my bio to grab it. This drives traffic directly to your ebook lead magnet. In the middle of the funnel, you have your longer YouTube videos. These are the tutorials and niche breakdowns. Here, you can soft sell an affiliate product or your low-ticket ebook. At the bottom of the funnel is your email list, the people who downloaded your free guide. This is where you build a deeper relationship and can confidently offer higher-ticket products or affiliate recommendations because you've already established trust. One ebook powers this entire multi-layered faceless content strategy. So how do you actually make money online with this? Let's break down 4 realistic monetization models. First is the affiliate first model. Your ebook is a free lead magnet packed with value, with affiliate links to tools or courses you genuinely recommend. Your automated email sequence keeps delivering value while sending traffic to those same offers. You earn commissions without creating your own product. Second, the low-ticket entry to upsell funnel. Sell your ebook for a small price, like $7, on platforms like Gumroad. After purchase, offer a one-click upsell, maybe templates, a short video, or a checklist for $27. This capitalizes on buyer momentum and boosts your average customer value from the start. Third is the authority building model. Here, the goal is positioning, not immediate income. Your ebook acts as a digital business card. Distribute and repurpose its content to build credibility. That authority attracts brand deals, sponsorships, partnerships, and later, buyers for your premium products or courses. Fourth, the newsletter funnel model, a long-term, stable strategy. Use your ebook to grow your email list. Deliver a weekly newsletter filled with insights and affiliate links. As your list grows, each email can generate consistent income. Unlike social media, your email list is traffic you own. Avoid common mistakes. Don't sell unedited PLR content. It's low value, outdated, and kills trust. Don't overpromise results like,
download and make $10,000 next month.
Be real. And don't skip email list building. It's your core asset. Also, don't rely on just one platform. Repurpose content across YouTube, TikTok, maybe even a blog, to widen reach and avoid algorithm risk. What does a realistic 30-day timeline look like? Weeks 1. Create your niche ebook using AI and your expertise. Weeks 2. Design a simple cover, format it, and launch a paid version on Gumroad and a free version as a lead magnet. Week 3. Repurpose your ebook into content, daily shorts, and one long video weekly, each with a call to download the ebook. Week 4. Focus on monetization. Add affiliate offers to your email sequence, test an upsell, and grow your email list. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategy to build a real, sustainable business in 30 days. This system works. It's a no-fluff way to start earning online. And to help you start now, I'm giving you a free copy of my ebook, which breaks all this down even further. Plus, you'll get my LeadMagnet toolkit with a plug-and-play ebook template, repurposing cheat sheet, and a visual funnel map. Everything you need is linked at the top of the description. Grab your free ebook right now and start building your online business today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Don't wait. The link is at the top of the description. And if you want to go even further, join my school community. You'll get bonus resources and a free starter course to help you scale faster. The link is also included in the description.